Hi all, I'm Melissa and welcome to my channel. Oh my word, Millie! So I've been seeing these this or that templates very frequently across Instagram, TikTok and even Bookstagram. And I thought, as I am a sucker for these this or that templates and I love doing them and tagging my friends on those as well, I thought, why not do a quick video on booktube for one of these this or that templates. When I was going through like booktube to see if others have done it, yes, a lot of other booktubers have done these videos very recently, like over the span of last year, and I thought, okay, anyway, I also want to attempt to do one as well. So this is me attempting to do a this or that video on booktube. So I am not going to explain in detail all of my choices because I don't want this video to be a lengthy video. But if you do want me to explain any of my choices, please feel free to let me know which choices you want me to explain in the comments down below. I will surely go through every one of them and I will explain my choices in upcoming videos so that y'all know why I chose them. Anyway, that's enough of the chit chat. Let's start playing this game. Series or standalones? Since recent I have started liking standalones, but my favorite has always been series, so series. Magic earned or magic born? Ooh. Do I want to be someone who gets magic later on or born with magic? I'm going to go with born with magic, like Magnus Bane. Enemies to lovers or friends to lovers? Definitely enemies to lovers. Mean parents or dead parents? I'll go with dead parents because I like Harry Potter and like I don't want parents being mean. Like villain turning a little good or a hero turning a little bad. I don't want heroes turning bad, but I want a villain to always turn good. And that little ray of hope thing is there, whether it's fictional or real. Audiobook or physical or ebook? Definitely physical, like not even ebook, like physical book. Definitely not audiobook because I don't like hearing a book with someone else's voice, like that's really weird. Paperback or hardback? Paperback because it's easy to take around everywhere, because I take books everywhere when I'm going, so I can read at the smallest chance I get. But I love collecting hardback because it's so nice to have them as a collection. But yeah, paperback. Fiction or non-fiction? Hell no to non-fiction. It's always going to be fiction. Always, no doubt there. Oh my word. Harry Potter or Twilight? Oh. Do I have to select one in this? Yeah, my camera woman keeps saying I have to. But, oh Lord. So we'll do it like this. So if it was Harry Potter books and Twilight books, it's definitely going to be Twilight books. Not that I didn't enjoy the Harry Potter books, it was a little bit draggy, but so Twilight books. But if it was the movie, deep down in my heart, I want to say Twilight. Because from the Harry Potter movies, my favorite were the first four, and after that, like it started turning really dark, and I don't know. I like the plot, like I do. Yeah. So in general, this is going to be Twilight. Like I just can't. I can't. Bookshop or online? Definitely bookshop. I like going to the bookshop and feeling the book before I buy it, like to be able to have a tactile contact with it. But then again, most of my books are bought online. Hot chocolate or coffee? Come on, who comes up with these templates? I like them both. So I love hot chocolate and I love coffee. Coffee is more accessible, so I'm going to pick coffee. No, hot chocolate. Can't I have both? Yeah, I'm going to say both because like buy new or buy used. Hell no to used, buy new definitely. But I do have some second hand books which are in good good condition, but still I like buying new. But my wallet does not like me buying new. Reread old favorites or pre-order upcoming possibilities? Definitely pre-order upcoming possibilities because I love to have more books, newer books. I can always reread my favorites later on, right? Read every single word or skim at times. I am definitely a person who reads every single word. If I try to skim it, like I have tried once or twice, it drives me crazy thinking I have missed something really important. Woo. Oh my god. Dog ear or bookmark? Which criminal wants to dog ear books? Oh, my poor books. Definitely bookmarks. Like if I don't own a bookmark, I'll find something that I can keep as a bookmark. Movie covers or originals? I'm going to go with originals because like there are different versions and they're like so cute, but then it just depends. Like I don't pick whether I want a movie cover or the original cover, but then there are different like the owl crate versions, or those are nice covers. Reading at night or in the morning? Both, because I make sure I have time in the morning to read, and as well as after work I read at night as well for at least 3 to 4 hours, and on non-working days I read throughout the day. So both. Libraries or bookstores? Oh my god. Okay, so if we take libraries, you have to borrow a book and return it, but in a bookstore you buy it and own it. So I'm definitely a bookstore girl. I want to own the books. I don't like borrowing. I don't like giving my books to anyone either. So meet your favorite author or meet your favorite character. So it's going to be the character because there is a reason that character, he or she is my favorite character, because I know their personality. I've got to know them. I've had close contact with them through the book. I've seen through their eyes. Like, do I need to give more reason? And when it comes to the author, other than his or her writing style, I don't know anything about him. This one, every one of y'all know my answer as soon as I read it. Classics or new releases? I don't own classics, I don't read classics, I don't enjoy classics. So, new releases it is. Unlimited free books or live inside your favorite book? Oh my word. I will pick the first one, unlimited free books. Then I get to move around to different worlds and fall in love with those worlds. If I pick the other one, I'll be like stuck in that world only. Like I wouldn't mind if I was stuck in the world with Will Herondale or James Carstairs, like really, but I would rather have other people too. So yeah, different worlds, free unlimited books, and like I like the free part of it as well. Favorite book as a film or favorite book as a TV series? So I think in TV series they have more flexibility with more episodes to include everything that a book has, but with a movie, because they have to cut it short to fit it into a specific time range, they lose a lot of parts which I don't like. So TV series. One book a year and remember everything, or 100 books a year and remember nothing? Definitely it's going to be one book a year and remember everything, because for me reading is not just checking off saying, okay, I read so many books a year. I would rather read a book, enjoy the story, and remember the story. That's just me. A friend who loses your books, or a friend who dog ears the books. I can't say that word on a video. I'll shoot both of them. Like that, I have to make clear. If you dog ear the books, you are dead to me. If you lose my books, you are even dead to me. So I would rather, if I have to pick, I will still pick a friend who dog ears the books, because at least then I have the book. But why would you dog ear my book? But if you lose it, like hell no, friendship ended. Like no losing my books. Yeah, so a friend who dog ears them would be better than losing. Alrighty, those were all the questions. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want the template for this, please feel free to DM me on Instagram or Goodreads, or even comment down below. I will share them with you, or you can even find it on my Instagram account by clicking on the link found in the description box. Thank you for watching. Until I see you in my next video, stay safe and bye from Oh My Word, Melly.